What's the most powerful consumer drone you can think of right now? No doubt, the Mavic 3 from DJI definitely crossed your mind. With the Mavic 3, you get higher resolution 10-bit HDR footage, more transmission range, and better battery life for an immersive flying experience. However, recently, DJI is rumored to unveil new drones in the Mavic lineup, more like a bit redefined and equivalent version but cheaper. There are also rumors of a DJI Mini 3 drone which might also land with the Mavic 3 Classic. So, what could be the difference between these new drones from the original variant? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the design. Based on what Deals Drone shared on Twitter, the Mavic 3 Classic could have a pretty similar appearance to the Mavic 3. The main changes are likely to be on the camera system. From the pictures, it seems the Mavic 3 Classic might feature a single camera lens instead of the dual ones that we have seen on the Mavic 3 series. We can also see the DJI Mavic 3's classic gimbal in the photo. In the top left, we see the Hasselblad logo and the mention of E.24 and f2.8. So with a single camera setup, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is expected to have a 24mm lens, f-stop 2.8 to f-stop 11 aperture, and 4x3 CMOS sensor that should be able to shoot up to 5.1K videos. However, you might miss out on the zooming capability with the Mavic 3 Classic. That's not the end though, as Deals Drone also shared pictures on Twitter claiming it to be Mavic 3 Enterprise with a whole new camera module placed on the gimbal. The leaker also mentioned that Mavic 3 Enterprise might come up with RTK variants as well. As for the Mini 3 Non-Pro variant, we are likely to see the same body frame weighing less than 250 grams. Remember the Mini SE drone from DJI? A perfect entry-level drone to start flying with. DJI is probably planning to release the Mini 3 as a successor to the SE. Besides, the Mini 3 is expected to come without any obstacle sensing sensor, which might be a bit of a downgrade. For the camera, the Mini 3 might come up with the same camera sensor as the Pro, so we might see a 48-megapixel CMOS sensor with a 1x1.3-inch optical format, allowing you to shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Coming to the price, undoubtedly both the Mavic 3 Classic and the Mini 3 will cost less than the original variants. This would be great considering the performance of these drones. So, for those who would want to have the absolute best camera resolution from a bird's eye view and zooming isn't your concern, waiting for the Mavic 3 Classic would definitely be a good choice. What do you think of these new DJI drones? Do they make sense? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.